Hi viewers, this is sixth video of our Osclass tutorial. So last time we were here, we were discussing about the custom fields. So I was about to create a new one to understand, to let you understand that how the custom field is created and how it is applied to the categories. So item, we will collect the item, and we will select the text, which is one is a text area, one is a text. The text is space is little like this, and the text area is like a little wide, so user can insert large amount of text in it. Okay, so this is the item. We will just as you can see, this is the for sale category, and these are the subcategories. So what we will do, that we will check this main checkbox, so it will select all the subcategories, and here we will, in advanced options, we will give it some numbers. I have numbers till I think 105, so I will give 200, like 200, and tick to allow search by this field. So you must check this so people can search it, and this will be included in the search if you take this. Okay, so after that, I will if I will save changes, it will be added to my this area. For example, let me show you. Okay, I will do it for you so you can understand better. This is item for sale. Okay, for sale we have attached it to the to the category, and the subcategories for sale. Okay, so I will save changes. It will be saved as a new sub custom field. As you can see, item, where are the items? Yes, this is the item, this is the last one we have created. Okay, so now if I will refresh my I will go to electronics, and then I will go to for sale. You will see that item will be visible here. You can see the item is visible, and this is the text area. You can insert it, so the user may also add what item he want to sell, what item he want to sell. Okay, so I just created this only for you. So now I will remove this because I don't need this in my website. It was just for your teaching purpose, so I create this. This was this was the custom field. I hope you have understand that what is the custom field and how it is created. Okay, again, in the next things, we will go to the setting. In the settings, as you can see, only login user can post listing, and user has to wait 0 seconds between each listing. When you will check this option, this checkbox, so no one can post their listing unless he is not a user. He is not a valid user with your website. But if we will uncheck this, so anyone can add their listing in your website without the approval of the admin, and it will be added. Without the username, it will be created. Without the account, they can create a listing in your website. So I will suggest that you always check this, so those people who are adding listing to your websites, they will be your loyal user, they will come back, they will get alert. So it is better to check it. Okay, this is the end user has to wait seconds or minutes. And you will give in a seconds. For example, if we will give uh, how many seconds and in a 1 minute, so we will mention it. So the user will have to wait 1 minute. After 1 minute he can post another listing. So I have here selected as a 0 because I don't want that my user should have to wait for the listing to add. Okay, this will not make your website friendly, so you should always keep it in 0. User have to validate their listing. Validation is like when they will create a listing, so they will be informed in their emails, and after that they will activate. So it's a lengthy process. I have unchecked this. I have not checked this because it can create a problem. This is the reCAPTCHA is very important because there are bots that might they add might some people use bots as lots of people are doing it. They are distributing ads electronically and automatically in many websites. So reCAPTCHA is very important for that only humans, real humans are listing in your website, not the bots and the automated system is adding listing to your website. Okay, contact phone number only allow registered user to contact publisher. So in your if I show you here in my website, I will go to the main page, and here I will select, for example, I will select this this car. Okay, and after selecting this car, I want to contact with the seller. So here I can contact with the seller. So two person can contact the sellers. In this option, as you can see, only allow registered user. If I am registered, as I am here, I am registered with the name DDIFDS. This is just for temporary ID here I have made in my own website. So if I have checked this, okay, if I have checked this only allow registered users, so if I will click this, I can contact with the seller. Here I can contact my seller. Okay, so he can contact me. But if I am not a registered user, I am sign out, so I will not be able to contact the seller. So this is the easy this is another handy options for your website, so you can use it. Okay, so my times are is off. See you in the next video, and take care. Bye.